Adding an accordion section to a website is a simple process that can be done without using a plugin. To do this, you can start by clicking on the Plugins option on the WordPress dashboard and selecting Add New. On the Add Plugins page, there are various options available such as Featured, Popular, Recommended, and Favorites. You can use the search bar to find plugins that fit your needs. Zone plugin that you can use for this process is the Header Footer Code Manager. Once you install and activate this plugin, you can open your main website and copy the CSS and JavaScript code from the project website to create a custom accordion. After copying these codes, you can simply paste them in the appropriate fields on your website. Additionally, you can add an accordion HTML code to your website by clicking on the Pages option on the dashboard and adding a new page. You can then add your title and copy the accordion HTML code template from the website. After editing the paragraph and button class with your own information, you can copy the entire HTML code and paste it into a custom HTML section on your page. Once you have completed all of these steps, you can click on the Publish button and view your website to see the accordion section that you created. By following these simple steps, you can easily add an accordion section to your website without using a plugin.